Hi, I'm Peter Wishart from Facelift for Homes and Retractor Screen. Our business was formed in 2000, so over 24 years ago. If you're watching this video now, it's because my staff have actually made an appointment, or they will be making an appointment for either myself to come out or my window designer, Butlin, to come out to help you with your windows and doors. What we do on that particular case, it takes between 30 to 60 minutes. We tend to ask you a series of questions to make sure we really understand your particular project. Perhaps if you're looking at aluminium windows or timber windows, you want single glazed or double glazed, or if you're looking for some structural alterations where you're opening a smaller window up to a larger area. We can provide that sort of information, and we get all the council permits and whatnot that's involved with that, so that we take that hassle off your shoulders. What will happen is, if we can't give you a ballpark indication of what the project will cost, we'll take it back to our office, get all the information, formulate a proposal for you, and within 5 to 10 working days, we email you that proposal out, which will have all the details of what you're looking at. Our particular company has replaced tens of thousands of windows throughout Melbourne metropolitan area, and Rod and I are looking forward to meeting you in person and understanding a little more about your project.